40A, 2-wire plug, part number 12VBRS2, and receptacle, part number 12VBPS2, packaged together. For front mount panel installations. Corrosion-resistant, plated brass electrical components, drain holes in receptacle keep water away from electrical components and weather-resistant sealing cap. Fits in a standard 1/1/8 diameter mounting hole. Top reviews from the United States. Great. I bought this for my 15 HP. I wanted a plug I could install on my John boat that would keep a mess from occurring in the back of the boat. I mounted my battery in the center seat and ran the cable down the gunnel to the back. I knew there wouldn't be a heavy load on the plug, so this worked great. It's very easy to remove my motor now and still keep the battery cable in the boat. Clean install.